brothers and sisters now in West Papua, we hope that you will continue your fight for self-determination, your fight in defense for your ancestral land, your fight in defense of your community. In solidarity with West Papua people, by indigenous women, raise peace in endurance of the West Papua people in asserting and defending their rights and their independence, especially the significance of raising the West Papuan flag is a symbol of our freedom as indigenous people.
Today, we call upon our support for our indigenous brothers and sisters from West Papua who are experiencing